Question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? This question is nothing new. It is just a different version of the previous questions in this same exercise of linear equations in one variable. First of all, as we usually do, we will imagine the question. And for your better understanding, we have shown you pictorically. Let's assume this is Ravi and this image is representing his current age. That is, Ravi looks like this right now. And the same age we have to find because question is asking for what is Ravi's present age, and the statement by which we will be able to find his present age is given in first line. So it says 15 years from now. So let's imagine Ravi after 15 years. So here we have shown Ravi after 15 years. And what does the question says exactly? It says 15 years from now, that is this situation, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. That is, whatever he is right now, his age will be 4 times to that number. So with this, our question is cleared and we have imagined it very well. Now let's try to solve the problem. So first of all, we will write given statements. We are given with Ravi's age 15 years from now, it will be equal to 4 times his present age. So by now it is very clear that we have to assume his present age because everything is given in terms of his present age. So our assumptions goes like this. Let's take Ravi's current age equal to A years. Why small letter a as a variable? Because A denotes age and we have to consider variable as the first alphabet of that word. Well, it is personal preference, you may take it anything, but it makes quite a sense using the variable as the unknown quantity. And now we are writing because. This is sign of because in mathematics. Ravi's age 15 years from now would be equal to 4 times his present age. Therefore, we will substitute our values in this semi-mathematical equation. Why semi? Because we are using English statements. Also, we are forming it in terms of an equation. Equality holds here and we have left hand side and right hand side. Now, therefore, we are just plugging the values. Ravi's age 15 years from now would be A, whatever his current age, plus 15 years. That will denote us Ravi's age after 15 years. It is quite simple. If you are 15 right now, after 15 years you will be 30 because you are adding 15 to it. This left hand side equates to our given condition, that is 4 times his present age. So you see, left hand side equates to right hand side. This is the whole concept of equation, that is you have to equate the values on both sides. Therefore we wrote 4 into A because this would be his age after 15 years. We are writing from this given statement to us. Ravi's age 15 years from now equal to 4 times his present age. So this quantity on right hand side equals to this quantity on left hand side. Now we are going to solve this equation and we have to separate this A. This time we have A on both sides. Let's try to separate it towards right hand side. A plus 15 as it is. We need not to write multiplication signs in between variable and its coefficient. So we are writing it straight away 4A. Now as we stated, we are going to separate A on right hand side. You may separate it on left hand side. It is your preference. So 15 as it is, obviously it is positive. We need not to write it. This A is of positive because nothing written before this A or its coefficient. It is positive 1, understood. When we will transpose it towards right hand side, it will become negative. So 4A as it is, this A is written as minus A because transposed. Now 15 as it is, 4A minus 1A equals 3A, simple. Cancelling opportunity, 1 3 is a 3, 5 3 is a 15, and we have successfully separated A. So 5 equals A, it is very similar as A equals 5. Now we got straight away his current age because we have assumed A to be Ravi's current age. Therefore, Ravi's current age equals 5 years. Now let's try to verify our answer. If we plug 5 in this equation, so 5 plus 15, because A's value is 5 now, is 20, and 4 multiplied with 5 is 20. Our equation gets balanced. Therefore, our answer is correct. So you see, these questions in linear equations in one variable hovers around the same idea, that you have to find a variable and the statement supporting it might contain ratios, difference, multiplication, or division. The easiest solution is to visualize your problem and, using given statements, try to find the answer. With this, our question number 12 is completed.